So the way we are defining power is, so I'm sure you have studied somewhere in your 10th standard, power is equal to diopter. What is that? 1 by F, right? So how did you get 1 by F? Any idea? So there I told you we are studying only the formula. Here we are studying the derivation. You should know how it came, right? So if I take a parallel ray here, let's say I am getting one lens is doing like this, right? And let's say I take another lens, right? So it should be drawn a little bit thinner. Okay, you see, you have to draw this little bit thicker and this should be drawn a little bit thinner. So if I have a line going like this, right? So instead of this one, let's say it's going something like this. So this is lens 1, this is lens 2. So which one do you think is more powerful? Lens 1, yeah. So because yes, you remember the formula 1 by F, right? But the way they have understood the power is, if I take this, so please listen carefully here. If I take this ray, it's supposed to go straight like this, right? But then this has been bent this much. This ray, if I take, was supposed to go like this, it has bent this much. Which one is bending more? This one or this one? This one, right? This is bending more. Which means if it's bending more, we say that that lens has got more power. Okay, so that means this is what we call it as del. So power is defined as, power is tangent of angle by which it converges or diverges when light falling at unit distance from the optic center. So what we are saying here is this is the definition, okay? So you have to use the keywords. If you don't use these keywords, you are not going to get the marks. So you can write stories from this, but nobody is going to give you marks unless you write this definition. So listen here. So if I make this into a triangle, we are saying tangent of angle by which it converges or diverges. So this is a converging thing. So tan del is equal to, so I am going to call this as height h. So let's call this as h. This is h, this is also h. This is f. So that means I am going to say opposite by adjacent. Okay. So tangent of angle by which it converges or diverges when light falling at unit distance from the optic center. So that means they are saying from the optic center the light has to be falling at unit distance. So that means h is equal to 1 unit distance. So that means it's something like 1 meter or something. So according to the definition, which is equal to 1. Okay. So that means tan del is equal to 1 by F. So that means power is 1 by F. The unit of power is 1 by meter, which is called, so meter power minus 1 is called diopter.